Hello everyone, I'm back with another video and this video is going to be a very cool video. But yeah, of course, before we write this code, I would like to say that all the teachers around in this world who are going to see this video aren't going to like me for making such a video. But yeah, again, it is a very student friendly video, and in this video we are going to learn that how can I convert a text to handwritten text kind of a thing, which does look like somebody has written it through their own hands. So yeah, this can also be done in Python. Python is a very powerful language, and mostly I make videos in Python because, again, the same reason that it's very powerful and it's very unique. You can do whatever you want. So yeah, let's get started. And for doing so, we are going to be using a package called as PyWhatKit. So I'll just write import PyWhatKit, and on the next line it is just 2 lines of code that we are going to write. So over here I'll say PyWhatKit dot text to handwriting. This is a function inside this PyWhatKit package, and inside I'll just type whatever my text is. Let's say this is my project that I want to convert to text which looks as if I have written it by hand. As nowadays there are online classes going on, so you can just run this simple code so that your teacher feels that you have written it. And then I'll say RGB equals, we'll adjust the color because we want a blue pen, so I'll say 0,0,255. You can adjust these colors as per your liking. So yeah, we are done. This is just 2 lines of code. So now I'll just give it a run. I'll say python written.py, which is the name of our file, and just give it a run. So yeah, this runs and it seems like nothing has happened, but the path at which this file is stored, over there we can see that an image has been formed, that is pywhatkit.png. And if I'll click it, you can see this is my project that I want to convert to text, which looks as if I have written it by hand. So you can see that it truly looks as if somebody has actually written it. So yeah, this was a very simple hack by which you can save your tons and tons of time. So I hope you like this video. So if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.